Friday 24th of January, just starting a new job here, pulling apart these old steps and going to build a new staircase. As you can see, quite a bit of rot, but that's why we're replacing it. We made it back to the workshop. Got our two timbers here, as you can see. Very heavy, rotting. That's our left and our right side. This is the new timber we're going to be using. So I'm basically just going to be transferring this exact shape onto this and doing the same for this one on the other bit of timber. We have marked out all of our tread notches. You can see here, I'm going to be cutting all of these out. Same over here. So that is our full depth groove cut. 12 mil. I'll clean the rest of that out with a chisel, get the corners nice and tidied up. But that's pretty well done and ready for the stair to slide in. Now I'm just going to do 23 more. It's Sunday afternoon. I've spent most of today just cleaning out these grooves for the stair treads to sit in. Fully routed them out. So I'm just going to tidy them up a little bit with a chisel. Then I'll be ready to route these edges here. Get that looking nice. Tuesday morning. I've already started painting the recesses. That'll allow it to prevent rot. So I'm just going to finish this side and then I'll do this side here. And then we're pretty much ready to oil. Tuesday the 28th of January, got all the material here and we're ready to start building. First step, going in. And that's a success. Thursday, 30th of Jan. Feeling quite dehydrated. My water supply ran out about an hour and a half ago and it's about 40 degrees Celsius right now. Absolute stinker. But I've fully assembled the steps. Took me about 4 days longer than expected. So that's a lesson. But I've put it all together. I've filled in all the screw holes with putty, just letting that set and dry. Then I can give it a sand off, give it a dust down, give it 2 coats of oil, and then this bad boy is finished.
The time of oiling has arrived.
Finished product. Second coat of oil has gone on. This color has just come up very nice and rich. Got the beautiful reds and the lighter brown there. Really happy with how that turned out. Took a lot longer than expected, but pretty pleased.